Congratulations on your purchase of the CPSC-compliant S.R.Smith Cyclone. We've created this video to give you an overview and to aid you in the installation process. You can also use this as a visual aid by viewing on your mobile device during installation. Be sure to refer to the instruction manual that came with your slide for the exact measurements, procedures, and details. It is strongly recommended that at least 2 people assemble the slide to safely move it during installation. Let's get started. When your slide arrives, be sure to note all of the warning and information labels on the box before opening the package. Once you've opened the package, we encourage you to use the cardboard from the box to protect all of the slide's components from scratches or damage that could be caused by your pool deck. Take a minute to look through and inventory the hardware, materials, and recommended tools list to ensure that you have everything you'll need to complete the installation. It is important to inspect all of the gaskets on the slide to ensure that they are intact before you begin assembly. You can now begin to assemble your slide. Be sure to use the anti-seize lubricant on all hardware except the lag screw bolts. This symbol will appear each time the anti-seize should be used. Start by assembling the upper and lower sections of the slide and connecting them to the pedestal. A good tip to remember when assembling your slide is to always start the bolts and screws on the inside curves first, then move outward. Once you have attached and secured all of the hardware for this section, you are now ready to align, place, and attach the pedestal. Feel for a dimple at the base of the slide and drill pilot holes for the lag screws. To prevent scratches from your pool deck, it is strongly recommended to use 2 people whenever you move, flip, or rearrange your slide. Once the bottom section is assembled, you can start on the ladder and top section of the slide. Remember, do not tighten the bolts or screws completely until all of the holes line up and the bolts or screws fit properly. Once all of the hardware is in place, you can then fully tighten. You are now ready to install the slide to your pool deck. Please refer to the manual for all measurements and calculations. To guide where you need to drill, start by making a mark through the mounting holes. It's a good idea to use tape on your drill bit to ensure a proper hole depth. Clear the holes of debris, then place the mounting holes over the anchor holes. Drive the anchors through the slide mounting holes so that the nut and washer are flush with the surface material. Ensure the slide is plumb. If shims are necessary, please contact S.R.Smith. Tighten the nut 3 to 5 turns to expand the anchor. Remove the nut and add the lock washer before permanently tightening the nut to securely attach the slide to the pool deck. With the slide assembled, it's time to hook up the water system. It is important to install this fitting properly. Refer to the manual for detailed instructions. Place the hose clip in a location where it will support the weight of the hose to prevent it from bending or blocking normal water flow. Finally, attach and inspect the water system for any leaks. Congratulations, you have just installed your new S.R.Smith Cyclone. Enjoy and have some serious fun.